Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started Sketchup Pro 2017 tutorial series, actually all version of its Sketchup work in same procedure, and as Sketchup Pro 2017 is capable with my PC perfectly, and that's why I'm just using that version. So you can use any version, and in this lecture I'm just going to show you about two tools like that one, that is axis, and another is follow me tools. Okay, so first of all I'll show you about axis tool. Here you are seeing that three axis tool, that is blue, red and green. But if you sometimes we need axis in different way, and when we'll use some tools, then we may need axis in different way, because if we do not use axis perfectly, then some tools will not work in our perfect way, because some tools follow axis, and if we want to draw something, then we have to also follow that axis. So first of all, if I click here that axis tools, now first of all, with respect to which point if you want to move your axis, suppose I want to make that plane with respect to our axis. So here first of all, suppose I am using that point, I am clicking. After that, at which direction I want to move our axis, I have to define that. Okay, so suppose in that direction I want to move our axis, and that is the red arm. And when I have clicked, after that you have to define the another one, that is green. So in which direction your green point will be, in top direction or in that direction. Then if I click here, suppose see here, our axis have changed, right? And again, if you want to change your axis, if you want to change your that line as you record, then again you have to click here. Then suppose here, then again if you want to draw your axis line, the blue the green axis on that line, then it will also change. So in this way you are able to draw your axis line perfectly. Okay, and suppose if you need to make, if you need to reset that, then what will do actually, then simply you will right click here and you will click you will right click here and you will click reset here. Just see here, your axis have changed. In this way you can change your axis. Now when I think it's okay to you that how will utilize that axis toolbar. Now if you need to, now how will use the follow me toolbar. Suppose I need a smooth border here. Okay, I need a smooth border over here, and here I have draw a half circle. I have draw a half circle here, right? I have draw half circle here. Now if I need to, or if I draw a line here, and from here, if I just delete that. Okay, now suppose I need a smooth line over the boundary. Okay, I need a smooth line over the boundary. Then what will do actually, I'll simply click here, follow me. Then here I'll select that plane. After clicking that plane, I will select a line with respect to that line or with respect to that line. Okay, so if I zoom out, just see it's have created, but I will not use that line. Okay, I will not use that line, because if I use that line, then here it will not be okay. Alright, then I'll click escape and I'll just again click and I'll select that line. Okay, this is the reference line, and I'll just go move. Okay, then I'll go here again I'll select that line here, and if you need to draw here in that direction, you have to select that line and again that line like that, but I will go through that line. Okay, again that line, and also you can click here. Okay, just see, if you click here it will be like that. Again we can click here and again we'll just come till that point. Okay, actually it's happened because we have click here, that's why. So if we click here, and after that we are able to draw our the next line here like that. So just see, now escape, and it's okay, right? Now it's okay. Control Z, I'll again show you. So click here and select that line like that, and go through that line, and again, and here I'll just zoom it, again click here and see, it's done. It's have done. How perfectly it's have done. I mean, our smooth line have created. Now if you suppose here we have a line. Now if I click here and if I go in that direction, then if I go here, it will create line here like that, and again we are able to use that line in any direction, right? And suppose if we have a line here, so from that point to top, then in red, then again in top here, and again here. Suppose we have a line here and we need a smooth line, then what I will do actually, okay, what I will do, I'll just come here, or I'll just click that, then with respect to that point I'll draw something like that, and after that simply I'll just click here, follow me, okay, click that follow me tools, right, and after that we are able to move that. Now the question is, that surface we have drawn, okay, the surface we have drawn, we have to select in that way, again in that way, again in that way, again in that line, we have to select again in that line, that line, after that line, after that line, okay, after that line, as it's just making problem here, that line, and if we come here, just see, in this way we are able to draw, or we are able to use our follow tool. So actually that is the way to use our follow tools, and in this way we'll use that two tools perfectly. So thank you very much, and if you think that was helpful for you, obviously subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. And if you are a LinkedIn user, then follow me on LinkedIn, that link are given in description, and we'll be able to discuss there about anything like civil engineering. So thank you very much.